in a pool of water, still pool. Just a few clouds in the sky, the water perfectly reflects the sky. In fact, in reverie, you could confuse up from down. Yes? You've seen it before with your own eyes. A very still pool and a tree growing on the bank. And there's one tree that grows up towards the sky, and there's another tree that grows down towards the sky. Yes? Which one is the reflection? Well, so in any case, you just happen to make a little, right on the surface of the water, and it creates this pattern of circles that emanate from the center. In yoga, we call this bindu, or om. And these ripples go out, and they reach the edge of the pool, and they come back. And now they're dancing with each other, and it's so beautiful, isn't it? Now the sky is dancing, and the clouds are dancing. This is called Lila. Huh? Yes? So now it's time to play and dance. And so you start playing it like a director with an orchestra and making these patterns, and it's so beautiful, and it comes to life almost, yeah? The way that the waves and the ripples are interacting with each other, and then you learn how to put a ripple on top of a ripple. And then you decide, okay, I would like to start fresh. And so you wipe it out like that to clear the slate. So many big waves now. The first big wave bounces off of the edge of the pool and comes at you, and you say no, and you push it away. This is called aversion. One wave is so tantalizing, so mesmerizing. You can't wait for it to reach you, and so you lunge for it. This is called attraction. The pool doesn't know the difference. Huh? Both waves. And now, you've been battling waves for so long, you don't even remember a time where there was stillness. All of this started as a play, something beautiful. And now this Lila is a Maya. This is samsara. And also identified as a wave among waves. So what to do? Now we have some metaphorical understanding of the predicament and what not to do, which is to continue to make waves. What is the solution? You see, because it's like this for all of us in this period of whiplash. I don't want to be suffering. Aversion, massive wave. I want more bliss. Attraction, massive wave. So, how to bring stillness to the pool, to the surface of the pool? You must stop splashing. Begin by moving much more gently and easily. More space between movement, slower movement. Yeah. Eventually, when you become still, the pool will become like glass again and be a perfect reflection. As above, so below. This pool is your mind. In the depths, your heart, let's say. I've never said it this way before. So when the mind is clear of attractions and aversions, meaning preferences and opinions and beliefs, and saying this and that, promoting this, defending that, doing. And this mind is swirling. And so stillness is really, it's the only solution, isn't it? So moving into this stillness and becoming consciously aware of our own attractions and aversions, our own desires and fears, and gently detaching, allowing waves to be without retaliating, without trying to speed waves up. You see? And then the mind becomes clear. And the waves settle. Even just minute improvements have such profound impact on our experience of being. So this is the stillness that brings us, the relative stillness that brings us into the conscious contact to the presence of God, consciously, experientially, not theoretical, not even poetic. The only one who can know this is the one who knows this, experientially. Who will be that proof?